Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Today is actually going to be the last Wednesday assignment that requires you to submit something. So today is June 10th. Next Wednesday is June 17th. You're going to have responsibilities both of those Wednesdays. So I'm going to take you over to Schoology to show you this week's folder. This week, I have given you 6 different options to choose from. If you don't owe me anything, you only need to choose one option that appeals to you, watch a short video or read a short article, and then take a quiz for a completion grade. So what I did was I took some of the stuff that you guys were interested in learning more about, and I created little mini assignments. So the first option is History's Deadliest Colors, which is a short video discussing the use of color in history and the dangerous chemistry behind them. The Reaction That Fed the World discusses a Nobel Prize winning reaction instrumental in global food production. The third option is an article from the American Chemical Society, 9 notable Black chemists that you should know about. The next option is on polymers. Usually with polymers, we think of just things like plastics, but there's a lot more to it. So that video is called From DNA to Silly Putty, What Are Polymers and How Are They Used and How Are They a Danger to the Environment? The next option has to do with a specific field of chemistry that some of you were interested in learning more about, which was chemical engineering. So it's a really short video from the point of view of a few chemical engineers, and it goes through some typical projects that might be done by chemical engineers in the real world. And then I kind of combined people's interest in learning more about chemical reactions with the last option, which discusses 6 chemical reactions that changed history, whether it be in food production, war, electronics, and other uses. Each one requires a very short check-in quiz. Now, we are so close to the end. So if you have 80% or less completion right now, as of when you're sitting here watching this video, you cannot miss any more assignments and still pass the class. I'm going to allow you to use any of these to make up old assignments as well. So if you've done everything, you only need to choose one, but if you're missing work and you do more than one of these choices, I will replace missing assignments. The other thing that you can do if you're missing assignments at this point is access the missing work folder. Each one is broken up by the date. So you can check Schooltool for which ones that you missed. If you see any zeros, go back to that date and please make up those assignments. Last but not least, because next Wednesday is the 17th, I am going to kind of give you a dress rehearsal of a shortened due date this week. So today's assignment is due by today at midnight, because next Wednesday, your assignment's going to be due by 3 p.m. because my grades are due. So today's assignment is due by midnight. Next Wednesday's assignment will be due by 3 p.m. All right, well, that does it for this week, and I hope to see all of your submissions turned in before midnight. I just want to say thanks for a great year. Next week, I have just a short little video that you have to just to view, and this is the last day that you have to actually physically submit something unless you owe me work. All right, I will check in with you next week. Have a good one.